everybody, my name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go back to the subject of making saucy dope intros for your beats using Fruity Love Filter. We're going to just update the... Today we're going to go back to the topic of using Fruity Love Filter to make saucy, really dope intros for your beats. Okay, so I got this beat with the homie DC the Beatmaker. Shout out DC the Beatmaker. If you don't follow him already, check his links out in the description and go follow that man. He's doing some dope things. Alright, so we'll play just this intro and the drop here, and we'll talk about what we can do with Fruity Love Filter. So as you can hear, it already has a pretty dope intro, but what we're going to do is just make it even more dope, more saucy. We're going to highlight these first 8 bars, and we're going to go into the mixer. I already have everything routed, okay? So I have a second master here that everything's routed to. I'm going to put Fruity Love Filter on that. Now, if you have a controller, you can link the Fruity Love Filter, which we'll show you in a second. So that's something really saucy. It lets you have more maneuverability with it. But let's just kind of find the settings that we like. I usually bring the resonance down a little bit, otherwise it makes it sound a little weird. And then we'll just mess with this cut. You can change the filters type up here as well. And then it would pop in. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna route it to my mixer track, all right? So I'm gonna route it to my controller, okay? To route it to the controller, we just wanna route this cut knob here because that's what we're gonna be moving. We can right click it, do link to controller, and then on your MIDI controller, just tweak what you wanna link it to. So now I'm moving the knob around and it's moving the cut around. It's that easy. All right, so let's go ahead and go up in here, open up a new pattern, drag it out to the 8 bars. Go back into the Love Filter. And then we're just gonna go right here, click the recording and do notes and automation. And then we'll do our thing. Okay, just like that. And we're gonna wanna go right back into the Love Filter in the mixer and bring the mix knob down and create an automation clip. We only want the Love Filter to be affecting this first part here. Now we can zoom in a little bit. Go ahead and bring that up like so. Put in a couple points and make them an incline. So now when we listen to it, it adds a lot more depth and substance and just sauce to that beginning. We can also bring this in for the middle over here as well. Now to actually make this a little bit more, so it's not as choppy when it transitions there, we can actually right click this and make it unique, drag it out, kind of just build our own just within here by left clicking and dragging. This lets you be a lot more gradual since you can kind of just write it in. We'll get rid of these ones over there. You're gonna want to do the same thing with the automation clip. Right click it, make it unique, and drag it out. See, once again, it can add that extra substance, that sauce. So yeah, mess with Fruity Love Filter. It's freaking awesome. If you want to see more in depth on Fruity Love Filter, let me know in the comments. Yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.